All right. So what does a suppressor actually do? Or I guess, why would you need to suppress a pistol or any firearm? Well, because firearms are loud. Well, why are they loud? For a number of reasons. Basically, when you fire a bullet, a few things happen. Obviously, you have the explosion from the bullet. That's very loud. And then typically you have the sonic crack or sonic boom as the bullet breaks the sound barrier. All of those things are the product of airwaves moving very fast, and that's what damages your hearing. It's also
And
what
heat.
allows us to hear things. And heat. Yeah, that's very true. So all a suppressor does is slows down those pressure waves, those air waves, so that it doesn't create as big of a pressure wave that goes out to damage your hearing. And it does that through a number of different ways, through baffles, through channels, through how it flows the hot gas coming out of the pistol. But in very basic terms, it just slows down the high pressure gases coming out of a pistol to a quieter level.
And for the layman, it's a muffler.
Yeah, it basically is a muffler, you know? If you've ever listened to like a Formula One car or like a drag car, they're
They have no
super duper
mufflers.
loud. They have no mufflers. And if you
Or if
listen
you've
to
ever had
a
your catalytic converter cut off.
yeah, and if you listen to a Honda Accord, like it's very quiet because it has
Yeah.
a bunch of series of mufflers. Yeah, that's exactly right. It's just a muffler for your gun.